Hi, I'm Greg Brose. I'm Aiden's dad, and I heard that you guys are doing a big project that involves a lot of teamwork and a lot of revisions and doing a big project. So I thought I would share a little bit of what I do. I'm a civil engineer, and I do utility coordination. And right here, I've got a sample of what one of my projects is, and this is I-65, and right over here is State Road 11. And for part of our project, we needed to put in a weigh-in motion station, which is something to read the weights of semis as they drive down the road. And we also need to put in a traffic camera for NDOT to be able to observe the traffic situation. So these are some of the utilities that are in the area. There's two gas lines over here, and one of them was abandoned. And this is another gas line that's in. We've got overhead power lines, and there's also an underground fiber optic cable. And then also over here, there's an abandoned fiber optic cable. So we needed to put the weigh-in motion station over here, but we had to make sure we avoided the gas line with the power feed for that weigh-in motion station. And then also, in order to put the camera in, we needed to make sure that we weren't too close to the gas lines. And all the power was going to be coming from this area, so we needed to make sure that we got that coordinated to make sure there was no issues. And we actually had to do a little bit of a redesign to make sure that we missed the gas line. Another thing that we needed to do in this area, there's a set of railroad tracks up here, and the water drains to the railroad tracks. So we have to regrade the ditch so that everything flows back to the south. And that's going to possibly impact the fiber optic cable and the telecom line and the gas line over here. We've got to make sure that we keep enough cover over them, otherwise we will have to work on relocating those lines. And this right here is a color-coded mess. This is one of the biggest conflicts that I had to deal with, and a lot of coordination needed to happen. This is International Drive and State Road 58 just outside Walesboro in I-65. This project, we needed to install a traffic signal, which is what those little boxes are with the circles inside of them. In order to do that, we needed to make sure we avoided underground telecom lines, underground power lines. We had some drainage pipes that existed. We also have gas lines, which here you can see in yellow. And we also had to contend with a water line, which is this darker blue line here, and a new water line that was going to be installed in this area with the lighter blue. So this required a lot of redesign and communication in order to make everything work with what space we had.